Responding to input from manufacturers and economic development professionals, Salina Tech identified the need to add a new training program for industrial maintenance and automation technology. Students who graduate from Salina Tech have jobs waiting for them at companies like ours, Vortex Global, headquartered in Salina, Kansas. Manufacturers in Kansas have made significant investments in automated manufacturing, and we're looking for well-trained employees. At Vortex Global, we're looking for welders, CNC operators, fabricators, and assemblers. Join me, Luke Dole, graduating class of 2016 from Salina Tech, in supporting the Industrial Maintenance and Automation Technology program. Give online at salinatech.edu, go to the Giving tab, or send your gift to Salina Tech Foundation, 2562 Centennial Road, Salina, Kansas, 67401. Note that your donation goes to industrial maintenance and automation. Your gift will make a real difference in our region's workforce development. Thank you.